This is the first time the puppies went outside. It was so nice out and they need to have some traction other than newspaper. So we went outside. And everybody wants to see them. What do you think? Come here. Hi, Tinker. What you doing? Hi, Tinker. Hi, Tonka. Okay, where's Duke? Here he is. There's Duke. Hi, buddy. Kinda hot out, huh? Go in the shade. Their legs don't work so great yet, but they're getting there. Kind of a lot of weight to lift up on little short legs. There's your football. There's Bistro. Go swimming, Bistro, in your pool. Go swimming. Go on. Bistro. Nope, he doesn't want to. Bubbles wishes they were her puppies. There's Parfait. It's the first time they had water, so they're not really sure about that either. Say bye, everybody.